Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign an email document on Android. Signing documents on your Android device is incredibly convenient and efficient. You can easily handle important paperwork without needing a printer or scanner, saving you valuable time. This process ensures your signed documents are legally sound and ready for immediate use, whether for business or personal matters. It's a simple way to manage your digital agreements on the go. There are several flexible ways to create your digital signature on an Android device. You can simply draw your signature directly onto the screen using your finger or a stylus, mimicking a traditional pen. Alternatively, you can type your full name, and many apps will convert it into a professional, stylized font. For consistency, you might also upload an image of your existing handwritten signature. To sign an attached document, first open the email on your Android device. Locate and open the attached file, often a PDF, using a dedicated e-signature application or a PDF viewer with signing capabilities. Within the app, select the signing tool, then choose your preferred method to apply your signature. After carefully reviewing all fields, save the document and send it back directly from your device. Beyond signing documents, you can also set up a standard email signature for all your outgoing messages. Simply open your email app, like Gmail, and go into its settings. Choose the specific email account you wish to modify. Then, find the mobile signature option and type in your desired text, perhaps your name and contact information. Save these changes, and your new signature will automatically appear in every new email you compose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.